Hi viewers, this is Ravi Chandra, CEO for Ura Healthcare India Private Limited. Today I am going to demonstrate about packaged drinking water, alkaline drinking water and also the characteristics of a soft drink or a cool drink. So let us take packaged drinking water first. And I have already taken the soft drink in this glass. Any drink or water will have three characteristics. First one is TDS, the second one is pH and the third one is ORP. So what is these three things and how we can demonstrate and how we can check these points, I will just show you in this video. This is the TDS meter and it has got 0 now. Let us check the TDS of the packaged drinking water. It is showing 21. So which is very less and it has got no minerals in it. That is the reason it is called packaged drinking water but not mineral water. I will also show you the ORP. It is still growing. Let us hold it here. It has got positive 101 number. That means positive ORP. Positive ORP is not good for your health. Now we will check the pH levels of the packaged drinking water. With this pH liquid which we normally get from the market, just to find out and also understand the color variation. It could able to convert into dark yellow color. Dark yellow, the pH nothing but it is about 4.5 to 5.5. 4.5 or 5.5 or even 6 pH is nothing but below the 7 level, which is neutral level. So this is in acidic nature. So all the people who are consuming packaged drinking water are actually drinking acidic nature water, which is unhealthy. We will put this sachet into the same packaged drinking water and how it converts into an alkaline nature. Meanwhile, while this goes into the process, we will check what is the characteristic of our so-called soft drink or a cool drink which we normally love to drink. TDS and ORP, if you look at, it will be having very dangerous numbers. So I don't want to show you here in this show. I'll just show you what is the more interesting part. The pH levels of this. The drink which was in very much natural color or a water color earlier has become into almost a reddish color or an orange based color. Nothing but this is about 2 to 2.5 pH as a number if you look at. So the 2 to 2.5 pH is nothing but equivalent to bathroom acid. If you people are interested to drink bathroom acid by adding some sugar and some chemical, people are advised to drink soft drinks. So friends, now we will check this alkaline water which we have added the alkaline sachet to into the same packaged drinking water. How the TDS has changed. Earlier it was about 21 when we have checked the packaged drinking water TDS. Now it is showing somewhere around 87. We will also check the ORP. Currently it is going in negative numbers, approximately 120, 125 minus. Let us stop it at some place. I have stopped it at minus 154. So which is again very good because negative ORP will give you healthy life and it will reduces all the free radicals and removes all the toxins from your body. Or in other words, you can say detoxification will happen through alkaline ORP water or alkaline antioxidant water. Now I will remove this sachet to test the pH levels. If you can see this, it is in bluish color. Bluish is nothing but alkaline, or in other words, the number which is you all will be waiting for the pH number, it would be about 8.5 to 9 in between, which is again healthy water. And it can be able to convert the bad natured or acidic natured or low TDS packaged drinking water into a very healthy alkaline antioxidant water just by adding or by just putting this alkaline sachet. This sachet can give you about 250 liters of alkaline water. This sachet can be reusable up to 250 times. So one can use this sachet to make the acidic water into an alkaline antioxidant water. So one can make very healthy life by drinking alkaline antioxidant water, and who has got existing diabetes or hypertension or cancers or any acidity problems or GERD problems or even obesity patients can drink antioxidant alkaline water so that it will add value to the body and it will remove all the toxins by doing detoxification and make them very healthy and improves their immune system.